When you get into investing 101, one of the first things that has to be talked about is risk. And what is your tolerance for risk? When you start to invest in investments, right, there's an expected return for the risk. And the riskier the investment, usually the higher return. So you've got to figure out what your risk tolerance is. Now, risk tolerance, that's defined by a person's emotional and financial capacity to ride the ups and downs of the investment market without panicking when the value of the investment goes down, right? Everyone's happy with their risky investments when it goes up, but when it goes down, that's when you have a challenge, right? So we're going to talk about a couple of the risks that are out there, right? Inflation risks. 2023, we've heard a lot about inflation. Rising prices erode purchasing power. You've heard about that a little bit, right? Business risk. Go to bad business decisions. Businesses get better, businesses go bad. You've heard about some banking challenges, right? That's a business risk. So if you had all your money in one investment, you could lose it all, which is why diversification is key, but that's a whole different topic, right? Market rate risk associated with market movements. The market goes up, the market goes down. Does your investment go with the market or is it inverse to the market? You got to know what that is, right? Liquidity risk, ability to liquidate a security quickly at a fair market price, right? You own a stock, you can get it pretty much the next day. Cash, immediate. You own a home, it might take a while to get some liquidity out of there, right? So think about that liquidity risk when you think about your investments. Financial risk, right? Associated with the use of debt by the firm. I have a whole topic on debt, and you can check it out. But debt can be used, but too much can put the firm in danger, right? Interest rate risk. High interest rate, less a bond is worth when you talk about investments with bonds, right? So there's a lot of different risks out there, and your risk tolerance is going to vary based upon your personal feelings towards it. So what I recommend, talk to a financial advisor, figure out what your risk tolerance is, and then invest wisely.